Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home, keeping well. Okay. So, children, what I am teaching you? English 2. Yes. So, today is our third session. In session 1 and 2, what we have read? We have read about Tia's scrapbook. So, today the date is 8th May. And before starting, I want to ask one question. Have you all done the reading of the lesson? I am going to ask the question and answers related to that lesson then. Children, please read all the things, whatever is taught to you. Okay? When you will read it regularly, it will be in your mind. Okay? So children, till now we have met Tia's family person and we have done two exercises. Exercise 1 and exercise 2 in the book, and I have given one homework also. Whenever you get the book, please complete in a good handwriting. Okay? So children, before going to the next topic, that is our vocabulary, I want to introduce you with your class work copy also. How you have to do the work in classwork copy, or what you will write in your classwork copy. So children, first you have to keep one thing in your mind, that if you are not having the copy with you now at present, just write it down in your rough copy and learn it. Okay? But whenever you get the copy, take the help of your parents. Okay? And complete in your copy in a good handwriting. Take the help of your parent only in instructing you, not to write. Okay? All the things, all the classwork notes, I will upload it on the school website. Take the help of your parents and complete your classwork note also. And children, I am going to now show you the classwork copy. Okay? So, let's see.
Sure.
So, children, take one copy. Which copy? You will take one 4-line copy. Okay? You will start on the first page. You will write the introduction first. Okay? The name. Okay, your name. I have taught you how to write the name. Start with the capital letter. Okay? And all others will be small letter, and the surname also starts with the capital and ends with the all other letters will be small. Class first, subject English 2, school Little Flower School. Children, whenever we are writing the name of a school, the first letter always will be capital. Okay? L capital, F capital, S capital. So this is the introduction you will write on your first page. Okay? So now I am going to show you the next page, what we have to do in our copy. So as you all can see here, first you will write the date. I have written the date 8/5/2020. Okay, today's date. Then children, before saying this, please, I want my copy very neat and clean. Take one finger gap, okay, between the words, okay, and write it neatly. Okay. So first you will write lesson 1. Then the lesson name, Tia's scrapbook. Okay. You all can also, you have to underline with the blue color pencil your headings. Okay. So now next is dictation words. Okay, you all are having dictation exams also now. So all the hard words we are going to write, and you have to learn these dictation words for your exams. Okay, children. So here 5 difficult words or the dictation words are given to you. First you will write the heading and underline it like this. Okay. So children, the first one is grandparents. Okay, the spelling is GRAND, grandparents. PARENT, S. Is it clear to you all? Okay, grandparents. Second word is scrapbook. Okay, SCRAPBOOK, scrapbook. The third word is father. FATHER, father. Then the fourth word is mother. MOTHER, mother. Then the fifth word is brother. BROTHER. Okay, children. So these 5 words you will write in your copy and you will learn it. Understand? Write like this only. Don't start anything here down. Don't write anything. If the page is left, leave it like that only. Okay. So this first page will be same as it is I have written in my copy. Okay. So now I am going to show you the second page what you are going to write. Okay, children. So the second page. Okay, here it's written word meaning. Okay, word meaning means the similar meaning. You can use this word in place of this word. You can use this also. Okay, so like that only we will write the similar meaning of the word. Okay, so the first one is tiny. TINY, tiny. And the meaning is small. Tiny meaning small. SMALL, small. Isn't it easy? Yes. So the second word is bake. BAKE, bake. And the meaning is cook. COOK, cook. Okay. This you will write it here. After this, you will leave one line. Okay. Then write the next heading, make sentences. Make sentences. So the word will be given to you and you have to make the sentence related to that word given. Okay. So here again leave one line. Then write the first word, ball. What is the first word? Ball. And the sentence is, this is a ball. Okay. You can also write, this is a red ball. Okay. I play with a ball. Any sentences can be written. Whichever is easy to you. You can make any sentence with the word given here. Okay. But one thing you have to keep in your mind is you will always start the sentence with the capital letter and end with the full stop. This is very important, children. You have to start the sentence with the capital letter and end it with the full stop, and this should be very clear in your copy. Okay. Second is family. The sentence is, I love my family. Okay. Here again I have started with the capital letter and ended with the full stop. As you all can see on this page also, what I have done, I have underlined all the important things. Okay. You will also take a blue color pencil and underline it like this only. Okay. You will underline the headings, make sentence. Then you will underline the word like ball. We have made the sentence with the ball. I have underlined that word. Then I have made the sentence with family. I have underlined the word family. I hope the first page and the second page of your copy is very clear to you all. How I have written, take the one finger gap between these two words. All the words, keep your one finger gap. Okay, don't mix it up and write neatly. Okay, children? Yes. So now I am going to show you the next thing what we are going to write in our copy. Okay. Okay, come to the third page. So children, the third page is answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. So answer the following question means the question will be asked to you and you have to answer that question. So children, only writing is not important, as I have said already. Whatever is given to write, you have to learn. Learning is the homework to you all. Understand? So the first question is, where Tia's father work? Where Tia's father work? From the question only, see, answer is Tia's father works at a bank. Okay, so once again, see here, Tia's father works at a bank. You have to learn the answer. Okay, isn't it easy to you all? Where Tia's father works? Tia's father works at a bank. Okay, so how I have written here, like this only you will write in your copy. So now children, the next question is question number 2. What is the name of Tia's pet? Again, I am going to read for you. What is the name of Tia's pet? The answer is Tia's pet name is Fluffy. Once again, Tia's pet name is Fluffy. So what's the spelling of Fluffy? Fluffy. Okay children, is it clear to you all? This question answers is clear to you all? This till took for the first and second question only you will write in your copy. Once again I am going to show you. See here, complete page. First, the dictation words you have to learn also and write also. Okay, the next one is word meaning and make sentences. Okay, here two word meaning, 2 make sentences. Now the question answers. Answer the following questions. 2 questions answers are there. Question number 1 and question number 2. Okay children. So children, now we are going to start our next topic. Okay, that is vocabulary. Okay, all of you see the book. It is in the book. You will open page number 9. Okay, till here we have done yesterday. Now it's vocabulary. What is written here? See all of you. Vocabulary junction. In vocabulary, you are going to increase your knowledge. Okay, so first we are going to start here. Read these lines. This is my mother. She is an artist. We have read this line in our Tia's scrapbook. Okay, read this also. This is my father. He is a banker. So children, I think while teaching I have said what is an artist and what is a banker. Okay, Tia's mother is an artist. An artist paints picture. What artists do? Artist paints pictures. Tia's father is a banker. What banker do? What is a banker? A banker works at a bank. Okay children, so these 2 words I think you all have understood, artist and banker. Now I think you want to know some of the new words like that. You want to increase your vocabulary. You want to increase now? Yes. So children, we are going to read some more peoples, okay, with their jobs. People with different jobs have different names. So children, are you going to start? We are going to read about the people. I am going to show you the pictures and I am going to tell you the work done by them. So children, you have to read it with me and you are going to learn the spellings also. Okay. First one is, I think you all have read milkman. Okay. What is a milkman? What the milkman do? Okay. A milkman is a delivery person. Okay. Who delivers milk at home. I think you all take the milk. Okay. Who delivers the milk at your home? Milkman. Okay. So the next one is doctor. When you fall ill, where you go? You go to meet doctor. Yes. So doctor treats patient. Okay. See here the spelling. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Doctor treats patients. Next one is astronaut. What it is? Astronaut. Okay, what is an astronaut? An astronaut, they travel in a spaceship, okay, and help scientists in their studies of universe. Okay, children. Next, we are going to read about carpenter. What it is? Carpenter. Carpenter. What carpenter do? Carpenter makes furniture. You have seen the furniture in your home? Table, chair, like that. Okay. So, here in this page, we have read about 4 peoples like milkman, doctor, astronaut, carpenter. Is it clear to you all? Now we are going to the next page to read about some more peoples. See here, children, what is written? Scientist. What it is? Scientist. Okay. What scientists do? Scientists do the researches. Now you must be thinking, what research? For example, now we are suffering, from coronavirus. We are not having any vaccination of that. So scientists are searching, doing research and finding out the vaccination. Okay. Like that, there are many researches the scientists do. Okay. So here, what the spelling of scientist? S-C-I-E-N-T-I-S-T. Scientist. Okay. The next one is pilot. What it is? Pilot. What the pilot do? Pilot flies the aeroplane and helicopters. Okay. What the pilot do? You have seen pilot? Yes. They fly the aeroplanes and helicopter. So the next word is mason. Okay. What the mason do? Mason, with the help of this bricks and cement, they build the buildings or walls, fences. Okay. So the next one is nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Have you seen nurse in the hospitals? Yes. They look after the patients. They take care of them. Okay. So children, the next one is electrician. What it is? Electrician. Okay. What the electrician do? Do you know? They help in fixing the wiring and lighting systems. Okay. Whenever we are having the light related issues, we used to call the electrician. Okay. So the next one is cobbler. Next one is cobbler. What is the spelling of cobbler? C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. What the cobbler do? Cobbler mends our shoes. Have you all read the poem? Cobbler, cobbler, mend our shoe. Huh? Make it done by 2:30. Yes, that one. So, The next one is teacher. What is the spelling of teacher? Teacher. I think all of you know what the teacher do. They used to teach you. Okay. What I am doing. Okay. I am your teacher. Like that. Okay, children. So the next one is gardener. What it is? Gardener. Garden. Garden. Gardener. What the gardener do? Gardener take care of the garden. Okay, they used to plant the trees. They used to take care of them, water them. Okay. So the next one is dentist. What it is? Dentist. What the dentist do? Have you all seen dentist? If you are having toothache, any tooth related problem, the doctor we go is, that doctor is called dentist. Okay, whenever we are having tooth issues, we go to the dentist. What is the spelling? DENTIST. Dentist. Next one is policeman. All of you can see the policeman. What the policeman do? Policeman maintains law and order. Policeman maintains law and order. Okay. What is the spelling of policeman? POLICEMAN. Policeman. Next one is architect. What it is? Architect. ARCH. Architect. ITECT. Okay, children. What it is? Architect. What the architect do? They design the buildings. Okay. What the architect do? Architect used to design the buildings. So once again we are going to read these words. Okay. Are you going to say with me? Yes. So children, first we will start from here. See here all of you. Artist, banker, milkman, doctor, astronaut, carpenter, scientist, pilot, mason, nurse, electrician, cobbler, teacher, gardener, dentist, policeman, architect. Okay. So children, today what we have done? Today I have showed you the classwork copy. Okay. How you will write in your classwork copy. All the notes of your classwork will be uploaded on the site. Okay. Take the help of your parents and complete it. What is this? What is the website? lfsraptinagar.ac.in. And what we have read today in the book, we have read about these peoples. Okay, that is vocabulary junctions. We have read about these peoples. You will also do the reading. Okay, you will read it and learn the spellings, and you should know that what they do. Okay, I have taught you all this. So children, till now you are having lot of things to do. Now you have to read, you have to learn, and you have to write also. So hope we will meet soon in the school also. So till then we will meet in the next session. Thank you.